Got a little cheddar broccoli rice. I got a Merlot steak cut from the cow leg, aka the heel, really. One of the two steaks per steer, really. There's only two per cow. Very tender steak, kind of like a flank steak, but with a finer texture, finer grain. Specialty cut from the butcher, and it's a lot better than CC's. Best served rare to medium rare, or it gets tough like a tough brisket. You want to eat this one nice and rare, guys. Merlot steak. Check it out. Nice Merlot. Ask your butcher about it. Very cheap steak, very tender.